Good morning, everyone. My name is George Kosch. I'm the CEO of Worldprofit, celebrating 27 and a half years online. Today's January the 7th. Happy New Year to everybody. Hope nobody went on any crazy diets or quit this and quit that. Just keep living the way you're living. Everybody's going to be fine. I went to university right out of high school and joined a place called Royal Military College. It's the very same thing as West Point or Annapolis. I'm sure there's a whole bunch of military academies, and the reason people go there is they don't have any money for one reason. The other reason could be family, or they want to be in the military. Mine was pretty simple. I kind of didn't have any money, and it was a great deal. They said, we'll give you a free university degree, and all you got to do is put in a couple years after you graduate. So it saves a couple $100,000. So I said, yeah, that's a great deal. So I became a pilot. I flew jets. I flew DH-5 Buffalo search and rescue for a couple of years, and then I finished as a jet instructor pilot on the Tudors. That's the, if any of you have ever heard of them, the Snowbird jets. They look just like this one. Can you guys see that right there? Same jet. I did that for about 3 years, and then I retired early. They offered an early retirement package because, believe it or not, back in 1994, they had too many pilots. I know, you could probably Google it. Canadian military, too many pilots. So I took a 10-year deal because I had 10 years in, I was a captain. So I became an entrepreneur. I thought, I got a year of pay. That was part of the deal. And just kind of when I've always loved computers. I don't know why I did back then. There was no internet or anything. I had a laptop computer, and just kind of took to programming and databases and things like that. So here we are today. Started Worldprofit. We're a domain hosting company. We're an affiliate marketing training company. We are a training company. We're everything. We do everything you can imagine, but mostly for entrepreneurs. People that are just looking for a way to start a business online or promote a current business. We're here for everything. I'm 27 years is a long time to be on the internet, especially teaching and learning. The most important thing you can do is get started the right way, which is, you've picked your domain name or you've booked your own. If you have a domain name, you've picked it, and it's a month or two, you can change it to something you own if you want. We just wanted to get you started, and all of the content carries over. So you can just, if you do book your own domain name, just let us know in support. We'll tell you what to do. But get on lesson 3 after all that. Once you get settled, lesson 3 will take you to the training tab. Okay, and that's on the top menu, or let me save you some time. As soon as you pull this up, click on Start Here. Okay, this is the starting point. These 2 videos here, this one, the first steps, and the Start Promoting Today, are the key to understanding what we're all about, and they get you started. They pave the way for all kinds of different things that you're going to be doing with us. The most important thing in the videos is to have the mindset that this is a business. We're trying to teach you how to run a business online, yours. You're the CEO of your own business and your own website. And we want you to stay with us for many, many years. We're here to help you. Our support services are second to none. We're always on. We work from home, so we're always online. Not always. Got to go for food every now and then. And I do golf in the summer. But aside from that, I'm always here. I get up in the morning, have my coffee, check support. We're regular people. We don't have mahogany desks or anything, and have staff that we put in our way. Big companies, you can never talk to the CEO or anybody. They're never around. They're probably vacationing a lot. I heard that they make on average $10 million a year here in Canada. The top 100 CEOs, that's our average. I don't make that. Anyways, so get to lesson 3, stay on it, go through those videos. Do the videos. Make sure you go through and sign up for Hercules, sign up for State of the Art Mailer, do the postings, get your promotions going. Okay? Don't just watch, do. I can't overemphasize that. We've got people that have been, 2-3 months, and they're kind of tinkering with their website and meta tags and all this stuff, and that, that's fine, but make sure you're doing your promotion first. Get that out of the way, because that's marketing. None of these tags or anything work without promotion. And yeah, thanks JJ and Dave Johnson. Absolutely. Yeah, I decided to do that for you. This is an aside. Dave, I decided to do that because it is complicated, so I thought I better do it. I don't know why that SSL thing stopped, but they don't usually. Anyways, you're all better. So Gmail. Everybody uses Gmail now. I don't even need to really mention it a lot, but you should have a Gmail account for your business email. Hotmail and Yahoo don't really work very well with business. Maybe one day they'll fix that, but they're kind of, pretty archaic systems. Gmail is always updated. It's like, let's face it, out of 1,000 associates that sign up, 980 of them are Gmails. So everybody's using Gmail. The proof, right there. You're the result of your sponsor promoting. Okay, that's so important to understand that anybody coming in saying, I don't know how this works, I don't know what this is, you want to convey to them that the end result is what they are. They're contacting you because this does work. Okay, so anybody that contacts you, the reason they're contacting you is because the promotion works. Okay, it gets people to sign up. We have over 100 tools. We're going to talk about a brand new tool that's absolutely phenomenal for generating leads and sales. And it's unlimited. I think you're going to be pretty impressed. And yeah, Dave Johnson, yeah, absolutely. You and 100 others. Everybody's the same, and I never get mad when people say, oh, this and that, and they kind of look at you like you're going to pull out the snake oil. Yay, this'll do it. There's a million different companies, all kinds of people pitching everything. Nobody believes anybody, but all we usually say to people is, listen, 27 years, soon to be 28, is a long, long time. So good idea to give us a shot. Remember that the Live Business Center is here, along with the monitors, who I thank every week that they're there and that they're helping, because they close sales for you in the Live Business Center. You've probably all seen it. You can turn it off and you can turn it on. I usually leave it off or on depending on what I'm doing in the member area. You just click the button there and it'll go. But yeah, just like Sandy Hunter is saying, you're going to have a much better understanding as you go through this, and you see that we form relationships with people through our free associate program before they buy. So we're not just shoving them in front of an order form. We've tried that. It doesn't work. It does not work, because people come in and they want refunds. They say, this isn't for me, that kind of a thing. We want to establish a relationship. Let them kick the tires. Let them come and hang out in the member area. And then they'll say, well, you know what? I didn't know these 5 things. And that's why we do everything for free. That's the secret to success online, is just giving people something for free to get them in there, and goes from there. Okay, so when you do sign up associates, you don't need to do anything. Okay, when you're doing a promotion, associate signs up, fast track associate, it doesn't matter. If you're new and you're just starting out, you don't have to do anything. You don't need an autoresponder. You don't need to buy any optional things. You don't need to buy anything else. Even the product I'm talking about today, it's totally optional. We build products all the time for our advanced members, or you can buy it if you feel like you want to. We send out a newsletter every day to all associates, even the ones that haven't, activated their accounts. They come in and then they have to activate. Some of them don't. We send reminders out to all of them. You don't need to do any of that. So we're like an autoresponder that's constantly sending stuff out to your associates. You focus on new ones. That's the whole idea here. You will find some software that you optionally can purchase. JitBit AutoText, RoboForm, which is a password organizer, and Postbox email management. Those are under Cool Tools. They will just speed up your ability to do promotion. Okay, and actually other things too, right? RoboForm is pretty amazing. Make sure that you learn how to use these things because, well, they're software. They've been around for years, and you do want to take your time to learn how to work them. Link Manager and Link Magic are two awesome tools, especially Link Magic. Absolutely can't live without Link Magic now. That thing's phenomenal. And thanks, Luther. Yeah, we've had, if you look in the member area here, I mean, like, take a look at this. I'm going to turn off Live Business Center because, you know, you can hear the speaker. Just turn that off for a sec. Sorry, Brian. Look at the top sellers list. We already have a top 20, and it's only really was 6 days. I think we had a top 20 after 5 days, and that's great because no one person or two people are taking over, right? Everybody, like, that's just 20. There's more than 20. We just showed the top 20, but really is incredible just how many names you see up here, and they're the ones that are just promoting and working hard to generate leads. It really is cool. A huge congratulations again to Linda Elsie. There she is. I got her down here as the top sellers. I mean, it just got her name there. That's it. She's the one that's been doing this for 11 years. So congratulations, of course, but how does she keep doing it? She generates leads. She does pay for advertising. I mean, she has money to pay for advertising, but like I said to you at the start, treat this like a business, right? You got to take some of your profits and put it back into the business. And if you don't have any money, that's fine. That's how Linda started. Actually, I think she was down 10 grand from other stuff that she was trying online before she found us. Okay? So the way she does it is promote, 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 constantly promoting. Generating leads. Leads are your lifeblood because then they get turned into sales. So it's not like she only sells Worldprofit. She's got a list of associates that she can communicate with through the various tools in the member area, right? These tools include the Prospect Manager, right? We have a Prospect Manager system that is second to none. You can communicate with people using the emailer here. You can create custom letters for any other program that you're involved in. Okay, so that's one way. And then there's also the I can't remember where I put out, just go to the classic menu here for a sec. This one is really cool. It's called Who's Logged In, right there on the top menu. Who's logged in? And this is a way to spy on all the people that have logged in under you that you've sponsored. Of course, mine's empty because I don't sign people up. They all go to monitors. But they're here. This is like a data board where you can check and you can communicate with them based on what activities they're doing in the member area. She also has live sales chat that's always up and running right here. Sales chat system. Okay. These are just some of the tools that she uses to communicate and make sales. Okay. Yeah, and Linda, I just on the side here, with Windows 11, I didn't really like it too much. I've got it on one of my laptops. I'm going to stick with Windows 10 for a long time, just because there's so many things that you got to change, right? But Windows 11 works fine. It does. I have it on my laptop and it works fine. There's no problem with it. So I hear that Linda might be doing some videos about how she does it. So stand by for that. And we'll let you know. She's going to create a YouTube channel, I'm assuming, and everything like that. There you go. Antivirus. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. Are there any questions from anybody so far? Have I missed anybody? Just checking here, everybody. We got quite a few people in here now, which is really nice. And yeah, JJ, that's great. Big thank you to Linda. Linda does the training for new monitors. You're getting trained by the best. Okay, let's talk about the super funnel builder. What's a super funnel? Well, a super funnel is something that we put a name on for a really incredible thing that allows you to generate leads. And one of the best ways to generate a lead is by giving away something. You can give away credits. You can give away, free gift certificates and things like that. But one of the most powerful landing pages or squeeze pages that you could build is one with an ebook on it, right? And we've all seen them. You go to the site, and we'll call this a landing page or a squeeze page, same sort of idea. And it's got a book, maybe a book in the middle there, and a title, right? You've got your title up here, maybe a little description, maybe a little more information here. And this book here is about a product or a service. Okay, so this is your ebook. I'm just going to say EB, ebook. And people register by putting in their name and their email. So that's pretty straightforward. There is a problem with this though. Where do you get the ebook? Well, we have the PLR product vault. We have a lot of places where you can get, ebooks that are made up already. However, when you give away those ebooks, they're kind of gone over there, right? People get them, and then they don't really have any more connection to you other than they've signed up to be an associate. So yeah, that works great. You sign up an associate. So let's just say without question that we sign up an associate member, okay? And that's through a standard page. And this is called a funnel, because then the associate can upgrade to silver or platinum. Let's just say silver for now, okay? And this is a funnel because it's taking them and funneling them from getting a free ebook to signing up as an associate member, and then signing up as a silver member, and then maybe purchasing a blog, starting a whole new world down here. Okay? And it's all done by free. This is free. Does that make sense? Is that a sensible thing? It works pretty much forever. There is so we've established that the one big problem is, number one is the ebook. Creating it. How do you create, right? So that's problem number one. Problem number two, and these are minor problems. So there's nothing wrong with giving away ebooks, but we can do better. So just bear with me. The other problem is when the ebook goes out, the person that has it is not connected to you anymore. So they've got their ebook here and they're reading through the pages, and this is my best rendition of a bunch of pages. And they're over here reading the book. There's no more connection back to you. Right? I mean, that makes sense. Well, how can we solve these problems? Well, if the ebook could be created instantly with a click from a website, because technology these days allows you to create an ebook from a web page. And say that web page happens to be a product that you want to sell, like a ClickBank product, or a JVZoo product, or a Digistore product, or an Amazon product. Okay? So let's say that we've solved the problem. So the solution is, number one, instant ebook. But it's not just an ebook about a health product or something. It's an ebook that's going to have a link in it, solving problem 2, with links to the product under you. So you're the creator over here. You're the person that might get the commission on the silver, right? So you're smiling about that because somebody filled out this. But now, if you could create an ebook instantly and have your links to said product in the book, and somebody buys it because they read the book or they look at the book, bang, you get more money, right? Because they would go to the actual ClickBank site and purchase. This side on the left over here is the funnel. This turns it into the super funnel, in my opinion. Because these vendors of these products here that you're going to create ebooks from are very smart. And they know how to make sales. But you already have this person signed up as an associate, so good for you. Or you might have them go to your autoresponder. Okay, either or, there's an option. So you can build your autoresponder list and at the same time give away an ebook with your links embedded in them that would sell that product. So let's take a look at it. Let's just do it. So here we are. If you go, I'm going to go back to, I like my modern menu. So if we go to website management or we go to money makers, we can find it, or it's on the advanced menu on the right under super funnel builder. Okay, so if I click on it, you can see I don't own it, but let's go through the points. So ebooks are very popular and very good to generate leads. So what the super funnel builder does is going to create an ebook from an affiliate marketing page. And we know there's a million of them out there. It'll integrate your affiliate links into that ebook. So we're going to take the website, we're going to build an ebook from it automatically with a click, and we're going to embed your links. Okay, for get details here, click, and then they go. It's also going to be tied in to the Worldprofit free associate membership or with your autoresponder. So it integrates with everything. CB Promo Kit, landing page builder, which is used to create the, oh, I know, this took me a long time to program. Ebook cover creator. Phenomenal. How do you benefit? Well, you generate a sale and a sign up. Ooh, somebody else bought one. I keep getting a text in here. That's cool. Okay, so it's not included. It's $27 one-time fee, and the reason for that is, well, it took a lot. It was tough to build this one, man. It was a tough one. Okay. Oh, good for you, Chuck. Congrats. Awesome. Okay, so I'm going to buy myself one without going to the order button. I know. I built it. I get a free one. I'm going to hit refresh. Oh, you can also see the video here. This is just a video of me showing people what I'm going to show you folks now. Okay, so you can see that. So I'm going to hit refresh here, and we're going to get right into it. So this was one that I created called Chit Chat Chimp. It's a product, and it looks like this. So if I go to the source URL, this is the product right here. It's called Chit Chat Chimp. But I want to turn this page into an ebook, right? I want people to be able to purchase it, and you can see my hop link here. It says in course, so that's my link, right? So what's the URL to build the ebook? That's the URL. Okay. Now what am I going to call it? Well, I might as well call it Chit Chat Chimp. This title and the description are just so that the landing page builder can automatically build from something. You can change these things in the ebook and on the on the landing page. Okay, so don't think, well, I'm stuck with these. These are really just placeholders for you. So I'm going to just put this in, time travel. I'm just going to rebuild this actually just in front of you just to show you. Okay, so we put that in. There's a little help bulbs there in case you're confused about this. But the big thing though is you see the affiliate URL? Usually it would be the same as this one, right? Because this is what's going to be embedded into the book. So we're going to build the book from this, and we're going to do this. The reason these could be different is because you might just say, well, I prefer this other page, maybe a text type page, that kind of a thing. So it's totally up to you. You can build the ebook from maybe a sub page from that product that you really want to focus on. Okay? This, however, the affiliate link, that's an important one. That one should be pretty good. Now, how about the ebook cover? You can build this for yourself if you want, or you can let the system build it for you. What the system will do is it'll take a screen capture and just put that up of the best it can do. Can you change it later? You bet you can. Okay? You can change it. It's just going to be there for you because, well, we want to look professional. Okay? So really, all you need is a couple of little things here. 1, 2, 3. Now we want to pick a design. Well, this is for the actual capture page, right? The page that's going to entice them to come. I'm going to pick this one. I like design 3. It's kind of nice. You can do this one too. It's for ebooks, but you got to fill in all the words here. I like this one. This one's pretty cool. So I'm going to pick number 3. And you know the number because it says right here, design template 3. And you can close that off. The directory name you want to keep short too. This is where people are going to go to request the ebook. Okay? And yeah, Bobby Joe, I'm going to show you. You can use Scribble with it. You can use any ebook creator after you've done this. Absolutely. This thing is phenomenal. So normally I would say let's do Chit Chat Chimp, but I'm going to do Chit Chat Chimp 2 because I already got a Chit Chat Chimp. Have I said that enough? Does everybody know the name of the product? Chit Chat Chimp. So once you've done that, I'm going to have a little timed button in here that will kind of go and say wait. But for now, just allow 60 seconds because what it's doing is going to create your ebook from that page. And it's a big page, right? Like look at that. There's a lot to be done there. So let's just do it. Create a new super funnel. So you just hold off on this, and I'm going to replace that button with a button that just says you can't click it again, because I don't want people clicking twice and going, oh, it's not working. It's working. It just takes a few seconds. Okay, so there we go. So now the system has created the ebook and embedded your links into it. And this is what people will register for when we've created the actual page. And again, you're thinking, oh, do I got to create a page? No. See how it says create a squeeze page for your autoresponder? Of course, based on the design you picked, right? Design 3. Or create a squeeze page to generate associates. Well, I want to generate associates, so I'm going to say build the funnel. Whoa, that was quick. So the first thing that you want to do is Chit Chat Chimp. Remember, this is the second one. So we've got a whole bunch of things we can do here now. Number 1, let's go see what the funnel page looks like. So you can see it's created an ebook cover for me, which I can resize. Watch. Edit. So say that I want this to be a little bigger. So I can do this. A little bit bigger, people can read it maybe. I can make it stretch a little by going in here and just saying, well, I want it to be wider. So you break the lock on it and you say, well, I want it to be 350. That kind of a thing, so it can do whatever you want with it. You can go in here and you can change. Remember I told you can change Chit Chat Chimp. You can change this. It's an editor, right? So you can go in here. I wouldn't change much though. Why bother? Or you could just redo it, and pick another template. Like say you went, oh, I've done the wrong one. Well, just do another one. It didn't take that long, right? It took me, 10 seconds to do the whole thing. So then we update it. And you can see here, a little bigger, whatever. So now you would promote this page. This is the page you would promote, right? So you come up with a subject line and a description, and the link's pretty straightforward. It says Chit Chat Chimp 2. Okay, so you don't need to worry about, anything. It's just send people here. Now, what happens when they fill this out? Number one, they're going to get an email that they've signed up as an associate. We're not going to log them in because we don't want to confuse people. This is just, you're going to get an email. They're going to get an email that says you're a Worldprofit associate. You will be, you'll get emails too because you're the sponsor, the usual. The second email they get is for the book. It's going to say, thanks for registering for Chit Chat Chimp. And it's going to send them a download. And the download is going to go to Chit Chat Chimp, which is here. They're going to actually see this book, which they can save on their hard drive. It says page 1 of 16, Chit Chat Chimp, and then they're going to read it, and it says, oh, what's this? Get details here, Chit Chat Chimp. Well, they click on it, and guess what? They just went to Chit Chat Chimp through your link. Hop equals Incorp. If they purchase this, I get my money, right? So 2 things just happened, very easily too. They signed up as an associate. They got the ebook. They read the ebook. They like it. Off they go. You get 2 things. What did you have to do? Well, you filled out a few things. And that's it. All you have to do is promote the super funnel page right here. Now, let's discuss. We've got other places that can build ebooks. I wanted to make sure that you can change your ebook. Say that you go, I could do better. You could be part of Scribble, which allows you to do really refined ebooks that are, not there. How many ebook places are there? You might want to just do your own ebook. You might say, well, you know what, I like this, but I just want, I want this to be the ebook and that and this and the other thing, right? So, in other words, you have the ability to build your own ebook. Okay? So it says, so the super funnel builds the ebook through the info from, yes, it does, JJ, exactly, from that page. So what it does is it builds the ebook, my system. My program goes in and says, okay, show me what you want me to build an ebook from. And it goes right through and creates a PDF file, which is an ebook, right? And it looks, well, like I showed you, the ebook here. Where did I click on it? I think I clicked on it here, right? Right there. Okay, so this is the ebook. So you might say, well, I don't really like the formatting. I want to change it. Okay, well, there are some sites that I put here under options. Okay, so you can create a new ebook from that site if you want, or more importantly, you can edit it with this site here called Sejda, or Sejda. So what you can do with this site too is the same thing. You can take the ebook. See how it says edit? And you can go in here, and you see how this one's sitting here on the web. All you have to do is save it to your drive. Click here, and you can save it wherever you want. So say I'll just put it in pictures just to save time. So now you can go to the site, and you can say, well, let's edit it and grab it off your hard drive. It says upload the file. It's under pictures, ebook. So now I have an editor online that I can change. And I can say, well, I kind of, well, see how it says time travel here, and there's this image, and you might want to say, here is another copy. You might want to put links in here. So you could say, well, I want to, there's a place to buy it down here somewhere. Let's just assume it was this, say it was $1 billion. You can go like that, and it'll say, well, what's the link to the external URL? Well, you can go in here, and your link, it's this one here, the affiliate link. So you right click on it and say copy. Then you go back to your book, and instead of that link, you should be able to, paste that in. Okay, and then you can go like that, and you hover over it. I always hover, hop equals in core, and then you can apply the changes. Now you have a new ebook, right? So now you save that, it's going to do its thing here, and it says, you know, download your book. You download it to your hard drive, right? And I don't know what folder I put them in. I think it's in the downloads folder. But anyways, okay, so you see how it's in George downloads. Now I can go and say, well, I want to update that one. So here we go. We go into George downloads. I guess it's right here. Grab that one. That's the new one. Update it. Let it process, and you can see that the file is now new. And it's all created. Remember, I said here is another copy right there. And remember, I put that link in somewhere. Where did I put that link? Anyways, I put a link somewhere in there. You saw it. You're my witnesses. I put a link in here somewhere. I just don't remember where. But anyways, it's still got that link too. But what did I do? Did I do it on page 3 or something like that? $1 billion. There it is. $1 billion. So if you click on it, it goes to Chit Chat Chimp. That's it. So for that, Chuck, I wouldn't bother promoting that link to a Worldprofit associate. I wouldn't do that. You might want to put on there Worldprofit associate already, that kind of thing. Or I'm thinking I might put that in there too. But anyways, most safeless exchanges, you know, you might want to say this will sign you up as an associate. However, it will only send them a note, and they can delete that account with one click when we send them the welcome letter to associates, so, you know, no harm done. What I'm trying to do is expand you into Facebook. You know, you can use this type of thing in Facebook. You can use it in classified ad systems, that kind of thing, right? I'm trying to get people so they go into these other things. You can put it in your YouTube video, because you could do a whole YouTube video on this, right? Here's the bottom line. You can build ebooks from anything. Literally, any product, any service, and then you can amend it. I mean, you can make changes to these things. And if things aren't working and you just don't want to do it with this one again, you could just click delete, and it will delete it, and you can do it again. You can create another one. See, they're gone. The highlight points for me, the things that you want to make sure that you take your time with, are ebook, ebook cover, and remembering that you can build a super funnel also for your autoresponder. Okay? So if I went in here and I said, okay, let's just do this real quick. So here's my source. I'm going to copy. So that's the source for the book. That's my affiliate link. You can build an ebook cover, as you know, using the Worldprofit Graphics Studio. So the description, so I'm just going to copy this. I would just want to show you the autoresponder. So we'll get rid of the space there. There. So I think we're doing good. We're going to do the same template. Chit Chat Chimp. I guess I can do Chit Chat Chimp. I'll just make it 3. So when we create it, you also have the ability to tie this into any current autoresponders that you might have. Okay, so that's the second option. I took time to build that. So you see down here it says not created because there's no funnel yet. Grab one of your sequences that you have and then build for that. And then bingo, guess what? You now have a super funnel for your autoresponder. What I will do is one amendment I will make is I will make sure it says that this is for autoresponder sequence so-and-so. Okay? Yeah, and you can edit the page just like normal. There's what's happening in here for you coders out there is there's a special hidden tag in here that says go to the autoresponder sign up and tell the autoresponder system to send them the ebook link. Okay? So you're going to get these two things happening no matter what. So if I just clear this board here, I think there's a clear button here. I remember reading about it. Clear board. Anyways, you just click shift, I think, and you can get rid of everything. So what happens is when they sign up for your ebook. Okay, so they come in and they go and they sign up for the ebook. Okay, so this is the squeeze page. It will send them autoresponder sequence 1, autoresponder, you know, your first letter in your autoresponder, but it'll also send them a separate email saying, here's your ebook. Okay, and it just sends them a link to download the ebook. Okay, say they come back to you and they say, hey, you know what? I didn't get the email. Where's my book? All you have to do is go over here, back into that autoresponder, and just right click on here where it shows the ebook here, and you just say copy the link address, and you can send them that if they don't know. This doesn't tie into who signed up when and everything, because essentially it's sending them either to the associate world or to your autoresponder. So you'll have them in there and you'll get an email just like you normally do. Okay, so autoresponder, ebook link, or if you're using it for the associates, they either sign up as an associate and they get a letter saying here's your ebook. Either or. The bottom line is, think about how many ebooks would be out there if, say, 10 people signed up. You know what I'm saying? Say that 10 people signed up for this and said, I want the ebook. Well, they've got that ebook and it's patterned to send them to the product under your ID, which is really cool. Do you have any questions about that? Anybody? I will update this video here. I just realized I probably did not update that settings video, but that's the same video that you see before, but I'll fix this right after the show. Couple of clicks. Are there any questions? Anybody have any questions about anything with that? It's going to make your head spin because it's very simple once you've created a few of these super funnels, right? So instead of sending out ebooks that you have to write, and I'm not a writer. I have no desire to write ebooks. I'm never going to do that. You know, putting in images and table of contents and all that. And, you know, it's up to you to write that, Brian, but I think I will amend it so that it does say that at the bottom. We'll sign you up as a Worldprofit associate. But you can put that in. You could just go into here for now and just type it in. Put your name and email address in here. You will be signed up into our Worldprofit associate program to get this ebook. That kind of thing. You can put that in there if you want. What I will probably do by default is just have it down where it says your privacy. I might put that in there just so that before they click this, they'll know. Yeah, free, absolutely. Free ebook. I think you could change the color of this too, couldn't you? Turn that red. I don't know. Format, colors, text color, red. Probably put some yellow behind it. I don't know. No, the auto response system is 100% not Worldprofit. They will never know Worldprofit exists really if they sign up into your autoresponder. The whole idea with the autoresponder, this over here, is for many of you that have nothing to do with Worldprofit. In other words, you're using the services, and we're talking about 60% of the thousands of Worldprofit members. 60% don't promote Worldprofit. Okay? They're running a business for other things. They could be ebook sellers, they could be Amazon sellers, whatever. I don't even know. I don't track them. I just, they're not all promoting. So the autoresponder was created 15 years ago for that. because people were knocking on the door saying, well, I don't want to do Worldprofit, but I really love your services. How can I do this with my business? So the answer was pretty simple. We'll build you a full system, autoresponder, sequence of letters, emailer, everything for your other business, and it will have nothing to do with us. And that's what the autoresponder was created for. And that's why this ebook program, the Super Funnel Builder, is fantastic for these people. Because they're going to come in and say, so I have a gardening, I'm into gardening, I'm into auto, I'm into workshop, wood shop. I want to use your program. And I really like this Super Funnel Builder because there's a lot of golf stuff in ClickBank and JVZoo and all these sites. So they can go and build a golf system. Like you can create golf books. Like I have a video on YouTube right now that has 400 plus views after a week. And it's about my golf sim. I can hook it into this and say, you know what, just for watching this video, go here. And oh man, they'd sign up into my autoresponder and then they would get the ebook on golf from ClickBank. You know, 5 ways to hit the ball farther. See, I'm a golfer. I know a bunch of you are. I know the key words that will get people to do stuff in golf, right? How to putt better, how to hit the ball farther, you know, that kind of thing. 5 ways to stretch better to hit the ball farther, you know, all this stuff. I can see there's people buying all kinds of stuff up here. So right now I have to update. So those of you that have purchased, I have to fix a little issue with your purchase. That's a good thing though, because I'll fix that. So hold tight. I know a bunch of you have ordered. Just hold tight. Your order's fine. Just I can see now I've got to put your IDs in there. So let's talk about Platinum upgrade. I have a few minutes here. Double the commissions, 40%. Yeah, Linda, I know. I can see that what happened was the order system said, thanks for ordering, takes your money, which always seems to work, right? And it put down a bunch of zeros as the ID of the person that bought. Fortunately, I know who bought, so I'll get that fixed up. Where do we order? Oh, that's a good question. You order by going to Moneymakers, scrolling down, and it will say Super Funnel Builder. That's one. Or you can go to Website Management on either the left menu or down here. So say you go to Moneymakers here, you'll see Super Funnel Builder right here. Or you could go to Website Management right here. Or you can go in the right-hand menu over here. Yes, I want to leave. That Super Funnel Builder is under S. All right. I know, I'm going to set you guys up. I know, it's I'm watching orders come in here like crazy. Don't worry, you'll have them in 5 minutes after. So I know, Chuck, what's your member ID? Do you know it offhand? Give it to me, I'll put it in. I'm sitting on my other screen right here. They're all 0. Okay, Chuck says, will there be links on our website for the ebooks, or do we have to do that under website management? You can put a link under website management to the funnel page. For sure you can. Absolutely. 59939. Let me get you in here. 59939. Did anyone else buy? So there you go, Chuck. When you go in, you'll be able to start using it. You can buy it anytime you want. 57,600. You're all good? And I don't know who else bought. I'm kind of busy doing a workshop right now, but I've got the screen up here. There's one more person that I didn't track a number for. Okay, so Platinum VIP, double your commissions. All kinds of bonuses, 100 fresh exclusive leads every month. Worldprofit Graphic Studio is included. Okay, autoresponder system included. 43756. 43756. Okay, there you go. You're all set, Linda. Advanced ad tracking and the 18 traffic injections every month are included in Platinum. The big thing is, you know, all of these solos and things now, you could use those if you had the Super Funnel Builder, because it's just something different to send to Safeless. I've never been a big fan of sending a product to a Safeless, because Safeless people don't buy products. They don't, but they'll sign up for a free ebook, right? The whole key is free. So you can think about how many super funnels you could have. I mean, how many products are there? There's a million billion products. And you might say to me, well, I went to the web page and it built a book and I didn't really like it. Well, you can also use those other resources to build more, you know, an ebook using another system. Okay, so really, really incredible. There is another program out there that I really do like under the ClickBank promo kit. And it's called Scribble. And I'm a member in there, and you can build ebooks in there too and put links in. It's called Scribble. And I own it. I'm a member there. I haven't gone there for a while, but I think you can log in probably. I don't know where their login is. I'm sure it's probably right here, I would think. Anyways, I'm not sure. I've got a bookmark somewhere. But anyways, they have it's probably members.scribble. Anyways, you build beautiful ebooks in there too. So it's totally up to you. The tough part of all of this is the funnel itself. So Chuck says, if we want to build our own landing pages, where do we send people? You use the landing page builder. Okay, so you go to website management, either on the left menu or that advanced tab, and click on landing page builder. This will build landing pages to generate associates. Yeah, it is. Everything's all built in. Yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, pretty wild stuff. Even got a splash page builder here. So many things. We have hundreds of ways to generate leads. So you want to know about something new that I'm going to build? I know, we already got one. I'm going to build another system, and I'm going to make it so that you could take the classified ads widget for free ads and put it on your website or any website. And what people will do is, if they want to place an ad, they have to sign up as an associate. Ooh, 2 in a row. Oh, I better get these. Okay, so anyways, we're going to wrap it up today because there's a lot of orders coming in for the funnel builder. I've got to fix one little thing in the order system because people aren't getting it. I love life. Isn't that great? So big thank you again to the Monitor team. Like our president, Sandy Hunter, is saying, if you want to become a monitor, a Worldprofit monitor, fill out a support ticket. We'll send you out a questionnaire. We would love to have more monitors. Okay, and look at me. I'm up on camera. Everybody's on camera now. Everybody's zooming and everything. All you do is you sit there, you answer questions. If you don't know the answer, tell people to go to support. Okay? So JJ, yeah, we'd love to have someone like you as a monitor. You know what you're doing. Chuck, everyone, become monitors. It's awesome. It's really fulfilling, and it's voluntary. You just take time and you get up there for a couple hours. There's a lot of benefits to being a monitor too. Number one, if I go into the monitor area here, monitor training, you can see these are the benefits that senior monitors get, and it doesn't take long to become a senior monitor. Linda's going to train you, or Brian Armstrong will train you. Like, it's awesome. It's really cool. So if you do have other questions, you can contact Linda or Brian at these emails here. So keep it going, folks. I'm going to get all those orders processed and everything, and we're off to the races for a fantastic, absolutely incredible 2022. I can't wait. Okay, so again, fill in a sport ticket. Let's get you into the monitor program. Okay.